Hi, boys and girls. This story is called Beep, 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 Time for Sleep. It's written by Freedman and illustrated by Richard Smythe. Beep, 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 time for sleep. It's been a busy working day. Road building on the highway. Vroom! Heavy trucks thunder past. Swish! Vans and cars, all driving fast. Backhoe loader jolts and judders. When he drills, the whole road shudders. Digger's sharp teeth hit the earth. He's clawing holes for all he's worth. Reversing warning, beep, beep, beep. Here's dump truck with one more heap. Concrete mixer's drum is turning, sand, cement, and gravel churning. Dusty plow truck at the double tips his load of stones and rubble. Grader with his giant blade soon gets the sticky asphalt laid. Then huge roller with a clatter loves to press the tarmac flatter. But quiet now, it's getting late, and digging roads will have to wait. Backhoe loader, stop your drill. The sun has sunk behind the hill. Time to wind down, time for stopping. Hear concrete mixer's engine popping. Shadows fall, the workday ends, for all the road work building friends. New road signs flash up overhead. Please take the exit ramp off to bed. After dump truck's rough, tough day, he's hosed down with a cooling spray. Clean up, digger, no more rush. His giant bucket gets a brush. Tired road roller's done his best. It's time to stop, it's time to rest. Plow truck parks for the night. He cuts his motor, dims his light. Grader yawns and off he lumbers, soon to snore in sleepy slumbers. Traffic cones light up the way, shimmering in the dusky gray. All tucked up safely in their yard, they snuggle down, they've worked so hard. Soon sparkling stars begin to peep, as one by one they fall asleep. The silver moonlight softly gleams. Good night, big machines, sweet dreams. And good night and sweet dreams to you.